love to visit. I haven't been at ITDevCon since 2013, so it's been a decade since I've been able to participate in this event. And it's a really good event, and I like to stay on top of Delphi events that happen around the world as often as we can. So this was a great opportunity. My schedule allowed it to come over. We have a new version of Delphi coming out. I want to kind of highlight that, and also let everyone know that Raize Software is still providing high-quality tools for Delphi developers. We have since day one, all the way back in 1995, and continue to do so. So that's always been a big focal point of my company and me personally. And that's another reason why I'm doing 4 sessions here at the event to basically share my knowledge of the Delphi tool with other Delphi developers. And it should be obvious if you've seen any of my presentations, I enjoy what I do, and explaining that and helping other developers get the most out of this wonderful development tool we use. So the topics that I've been covering, the first one was VCL layout techniques. And although it has a little overlap with features that have been in since Delphi 1, there were a number of new layout techniques that have been added over the years. And most recently, there was a substantial set of new controls added in 2015 at the same time the launch of Windows 10 came out. And it's inspired by some of the layout techniques that were introduced by Microsoft. But as Delphi developers, they're pure VCL controls, so we can leverage them regardless of what Windows OS you're running. This other session I had was digging into a little deeper in system JSON unit, which is a standard unit provided by Delphi to help you parse and construct JSON data, which we use all the time, especially with REST services that we work with. However, there's very little documentation on how to use it effectively. So I've been using it for quite a while now, have some techniques and guidelines of what I recommend to get the most out of that framework. And so that was my second session. I have an exciting session on managing FMX views. This is an area with the FireMonkey framework, or FMX, that handles cross-platform. We have a lot of different form factors that we have to contend with. So it's not just desktops and larger screens, but we have smaller form factors like the phones and Mac or iOS and Android. Being able to manage our views so that we can switch from screen to screen easily, there isn't a built-in function that does that. And so I describe a new approach in how to manage those views, regardless of what framework or platform you're targeting. So that's really exciting. And what's kind of neat about it is the way it's implemented uses some advanced interfaces and generics in order to put it all together. And we're excited to be showing for the first time publicly some of the new features that we are adding into CodeSite 6, which has been really driven by user feedback over the years from what our customers really want in their next level of a logging system. So we're very excited to be able to do that today.